Welcome, right this way.
Is that real?
Yes, these book watches timepieces of ours.
Probably floating.
Oh, Cartier magic.
Trying to find a little string.
Very little.
Wait.
The journey continues.
This moment on, for him, traditional pocket watches seemed outdated. It's a double revolution. Techniques and aesthetics. He decides to show that which is usually hidden, the screws on the watch face. Today is the era of smart moving inspection. Innovative features to change the resize your bracelet by yourself and as you wish. But it won't be the last. From his spirit, the Maison continues to bring watchmaking hurtling into the future. Let's continue in 1917. Louis creates the tank watch, his manifesto of modernity. The name echoes the vision of a tank, as seen from above. This bird's eye view is reflected in the parallel brand cards that integrate the case seamlessly into the bracelet. In 2000, speed, innovation. exploration. At the turn of the 20th century, the world is transforming. Standing in front of you is Alfred Cartier and his three sons. They are about to change everything with their pioneering approach. Meet Pierre Cartier. He takes the business to London, then to New York. Let's follow the road of Jacques Cartier, who travelled to India and the Middle East, bringing home a wealth of inspiration that continues to influence the Maison today. And here comes Louis Cartier. He stays at the head of Cartier Paris and takes a visionary journey from Rue de la Paix to the top of the Eiffel Tower. The year is now 1904, and his intuition revolutionises the world of watchmaking. He accelerates time by creating the first modern watch, designed to be worn on the wrist of his friend, the aviator Alberto Santos Dumont, who wanted a watch he could check in flight without removing his hands from the controls. He loops it around the Eiffel Tower. Louis understood everything. From this moment on, for him, traditional pocket watches seemed outdated. It's a double revolution. Techniques and aesthetics. He decides to show that which is usually hidden, the screws on the watch face. Today, it's the era of smart link and quick switch, innovative features to change and resize your bracelet by yourself and as you wish. In 1909, the folding clasp is patented for the Maison under Louis Cartier. It's one of Cartier's first patents, but it won't be the last. Through his spirit, the Maison continues to bring watchmaking hurtling into the future. Let's continue in 1917. Louis creates the tank watch, his manifesto of modernity. The name echoes the vision of a tank, as seen from above. This bird's eye view is reflected in the parallel brancards that integrate the case seamlessly into the bracelet. In 2022, a new tank watch with a fully concealed photovoltaic movement. True innovation means no compromise on style. Here, we push the limits. A skeleton of Roman numerals, a bouncing case, watches in the form of squares, yes, but also bathtubs, barrels. Everything is possible. Time is on our side.
Okay, right this way. If you feel like you've watched the whole thing and you want to watch it again, you can stay. But there is all there. Thank you.
And here comes
Spaß für mich, bevor und jetzt muss ich halt noch arbeiten. Und jetzt muss ich was willst du mal sagen? Du hast es zweimal getextet. Das ist nicht.
Savoir-faire, a dialogue between all crafts, a technique dedicated to beauty. This pioneering creative vision is the foundation of all Cartier watchmaking creations. The design conquers all, a prerequisite for each and every watchmaking creation. Square, rectangle or oval, the shape is the starting point. The technique must be adapted to the design. More than 50 specific techniques are individually tailored to the shape of the case. Polishing, setting, manufacturing of mineral crystals. Behind these masterpieces, we find women and men whose expertise matches their virtuosity. Virtuosity illustrated by our signature movements, such as the skeleton. Technique is placed at the service of aesthetics, to unite the savoir and the faire, all with one fine line. Savoir-faire, a dialogue between all crafts, a technique dedicated to beauty. Hidden beneath the beauty is watchmaking expertise, Cartier ensures the design of its watches from start to finish. Over 33,000 meters squared, the manufacture at La Chaux-de-Fonds is home to 120 professions and 1,200 employees. Watchmakers, designers, and engineers all work together. Every set of skills is unique, like the gluing of the hands, crafted at the manufacture. More than 100 control checks are carried out. Mechanical resistance, water resistance, chronometry, and power reserve. Each movement is tested several times. In watchmaking, time is suspended in flight. Even our earliest watch creations continue to be maintained and repaired by us, year after year. So much precision, so much excellence. Uniting the savoir and the faire, all with one fine line. Savoir-faire, a dialogue between all crafts, a technique dedicated to beauty. Innovation designed for time since 1904, when Louis Cartier revolutionized watchmaking by creating the first modern timepiece to be worn on the wrist. This innovative are dedicated to researching new creative and technical advances. An average of 5 patents are registered every year. In 2021, a new milestone was achieved. After 2 years of research, Cartier integrated its first photovoltaic movement, called solar, into the 10,000. They turn up and fair to the dawn with one fine line.
Alright, you got some competition now. You ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Yes, like that. I like that look. Yes, styling. Hashtag. Wait, so the tallest one goes in the front. And then, but you guys have to like squish together, kind of get squishy, like in one line, like back to back, more. And then you go out, like do some cue or whatever, and then you come out, and then you come out. Oh, I don't know, like a little spin, kiss, like whatever. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, go! Yes.
Y'all get it? Y'all get it or what?
Yeah.
And there's the exit this way.
Oh, perfect. The pictures are on the...
You scanned them. I think she got it.
Oh, okay.
You get to
Thank you.
Thanks, girl.